Hello, this is Emeryville with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. Today I'm excited to be sharing with you 1420 Jones Street. This is number 13 we'll be sharing. If you're not familiar with 1420 Jones or this area, that we're right on top of Nob Hill, and so we have some iconic buildings. We have the Bentley building right there, you know, the park's right around the corner, and most importantly, this area has lots of parking garages. So there's a couple of parking spots here, and if these are filled, as they are rented by other folks, if there's none available, as there is as of this video, then there's a parking garage right around the corner. All right, let's go in. This is the foyer area, entryway of 1420 Jones. Packages will be brought in and left on that table that we just passed. Unit number 13 is a ground floor unit, garden unit actually, because it has an outdoor area. So laundry is right around the corner. And let's go in. Okay, as we enter the property, we're greeted with recessed lighting, very well lit property. Double pane windows, so it keeps the warmth in and the sound out. In this area, this is a very large foyer area. So what one can do here, since this is an efficient one bedroom, you can put a couch right here, flat screen TV right there, and utilize this as your living room space. You'll see some marks on the wall still as we go through this video. Tenant just moved out. Owner is still doing some work, so it will be all nice and clean and done up for you when you move in. Shower, double-headed shower, toilet, vanity, and again, everything has been updated. Hi, there I am in the mirror. I always try to avoid that, but beautiful kitchen. Look at this, lots of cabinet space. Quartz countertops, slimline refrigerator, gas range, and then a hood. So definitely very, very beautiful, very well laid out, double pane windows. And then as we swing around, you can see how much light's coming in from these big double pane windows. Let me get a little better angle here. Now this area can either be utilized as a living room / kitchen, or you can have utilizing the front. You can then put a dining room table here or something as well if you wanted more of a full eating experience. Here we have the outdoor area. You can see there's patio furniture, so great opportunity to extend your living room out and enjoy the outdoors. And here we are in the bedroom. You can see there's a door at the end, but it's gated on the other side, so it does give you an opportunity to maybe put some plants out there that gives some greenery. All very well done. So if you're interested in this property, see the links below. This is July. It's the beginning of just about to be July 2022. We are excited to be sharing this with the public and putting this on the market. So go to ReLISTO.com and you'll see the showing schedule, the details of the property. If it's already been rented, because this is a hot one, you can see what the price was, all the details on what it was rented for and such. All right, thanks for watching. See you links below. We look forward to seeing you. Bye.